Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are having a semicircle with the center O on which a square is inscribed in such a way that one corner is on the center of the circle and another just opposite corner of the diagonal is on the circumference. Let us name D, and this is a chord CD of the semicircle started from B passing to the H, touching the edge of the square and touching the circumference at C. This is CB is the chord of this semi-square. This is the touching the square at this corner. Let us suppose this name is E. Okay, and this is the length. CB is equal to X. This is to be find is equal to what? Okay, this is to be find this length. So we are going to name it as E. This point is E. As we are given the area of this square, let us, this name is F. So we are having a square DEOF, area of which is given as 6 centimeter square. On the basis of this observation, only CB is to be obtained somehow. What we can do? Because it is a square and area is equal to 6 centimeter square. It means, let's suppose one side of the square is A. If A is a side of the square, E square, then A will be equal to what? A into A, because this will be also A and this will be also A. This will be equal to 6, or we can say A square is equal to 6, or A will be equal to root of 6. So we can write it as this is root of 6, this side, and this is as well equal to root of 6. Correct? Correct. Another thing, because this is the diameter of a circle and we if extended this up to the diameter of this semicircle, this is the center point and also perpendicular, this become a new chord, named it as G, that is DG. A new chord will be the new chord and this E will be the middle point of this chord, because this is the perpendicular on the chord, and we know that perpendicular from the center on the chord always divided into two equal parts, so that this is the chord, this is the center, and this is 90-degree angle, so that this is the perpendicular on DG, which means EG will also be of length 6 centimeter, root of 6. Okay, root of 6, correct. Now, another help, this square will be very helpful in calculating all the things. Another help can be taken by this square is this. As we know, if we join this point with this corner, this is on the circumference, this is the center, this will be the diagonal of the square and also the radius of the circle. It means this can be written as R of the circle. This is the center, this is the point of the circumference, and hence this will be the R and also the diagonal of the square. So that the value of R can be obtained as per Pythagoras, square of the R square. This will be square of DE, it means root of 6, plus square of EO, it means root of 6, It means 6 plus 6, that is 12. It means r will be equal to root of 12. It means this will be equal to root of 12. Okay, very helpful. This square is very helpful. This is the diagonal of root 12. So it means that this is also the radius, because this is a diagonal of root 12 and also the radius of the circle, so that this is also the radius. This will be equal to root of 12. So what happened here, we have to find the chord CB, out of which this portion can easily be obtained in this rectangle E, in this triangle EOB. We are now taking another triangle of EOB, in which in triangle EOB, EOB, this EB square, this will be equal to EO square plus OB square. EO square is equal to 6. EOB square is equal to root of 12. With the root of 12 square, it means 12. This is 18. It means EB will be equal to root of 18. Now we are very near to our result. This becomes root of 18. Correct? Now, last and final stage. This is a combination of all the rules related to circle. This problem is related to different combination of the circle rule. Now, if we consider this is nothing, but if we extend this is what? Yes, if we see this is what this is. These two are the chords of a circle. Let us draw this in this way. This is full circle in which we are having our chord DG. This is intersected by this chord CB in this way. This is root of 18. This is root of 6. This is root of 6. And this is, let us suppose, y. This portion is y. And x is equal to what? Y plus root of 18. It means somehow we have to find the value of y. As you know, when when two chords intersect each other, then the product of their segment are always equal. These are the two chords DG and CB. They are intersecting at point E. This is CB and this is DG. So the product of their segment at point E is 6, root 6 and root 6 and y and 18. So applying the theory that when the intersection portion segment of this chord, the product of segment of the chord is always equal. It means we can say y into root of 18, y into root of 18 will be equal to root 6 into root 6. It means y will be equal to 6 upon root of 18. Okay? 6 upon root of 18. That is, we can write it as, this can be written as, again we are writing as root into 6 into 6. Then this can be written as root 6 into root 6 upon root 3 into root 6. This root 6 gone, and then this root 3 again can be written as root 2 into root 3, and this root 3 again gone, so that y will be equal to root 2. Y, this will be equal to root of 2. This is root 2. It means x will be equal to, this is x will be equal to root 2 plus root 18. This you can write it as Such, but you can also solve this onward. This can be also written in this way, that x will be equal to, this will be equal to, what we can take common, this is root 2, this is root 18. So it can be written as a root 18 can be written as 9 into root 2. Okay, root 2 into, here I am doing, this is, there is no space, so that x can be written root 2 plus root 18 can be written as root 2 into root into 9. 9 to the 18. So root 2 can be taken as a common, 1 plus 3. That is 4 root 2. This is the answer. The value of x is equal to 4 root 2. This is the answer. Okay. Very good question. All the miscellaneous rules of circles are in this problem. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe me. Wait for another exciting video. Okay. Thank you. Good night. Good luck.